there are many medieval paintings where you see someone with their heart on fire, or they're holding their heart on fire in their hand. And this particular journey with you, this time around, very acutely, I felt my heart light up and come full of flame with a fire that stings but doesn't burn, overwhelms, but stays very much, not so much with pain, but with this upsurge and gushing and flaming of love. I can feel how much you're holding your presence, your regard comes upon us all as a group, and me individually when I'm writing, which with such transformational, encouraging, comforting, consoling, and inspiring impact. And for you, for Janelle, for you staying so true and loyal and loving within your calling and following that and creating these opportunities have profoundly opened me and changed my life and my life journey. And for that, for you, Janelle, and for all the fellow travelers that are gathered here over this weekend, I am all gratitude for all the nobility and earnestness of each other's hearts. So thank you. Thank you.